Greetings, my name is Alexandra Cuevas, and my project title is Reducing Meeting Overhead in Engineering Teams. Today we'll go over the background, which includes the introduction, literature review, and problem statement. We'll go over the objectives, methodology, schedule, and project cost. As we all know, team meetings are an essential part of engineering work, especially in aerospace projects which are complex, multidisciplinary, and time-sensitive. Efficient and well-structured meetings are critical to avoid delays and employee fatigue. Currently, I have observed an increase in the number and duration of meetings interrupt the time dedicated to focus work, which then affects productivity. Next, we will go over what the literature says. Studies in engineering management highlight that poorly structured meetings reduce productivity and delay deliverables. Research suggests that clear agendas, defined roles, and limited participants increase meeting efficiency, as well as implementing alternative communication methods such as emails or collaborative tools can reduce unnecessary meetings while maintaining alignment. In addition, data-driven approaches to meeting management are shown to save time and improve resource allocation. With that context, I analyze the specific problem I want to address. The problem is that productivity is reduced due to a high number of meetings. Many meetings repeat information, require close monitoring of tasks, or involve participants whose presence may not be essential for said meetings. These meetings disrupt workflow, delay deliverables, and ultimately affect project schedules and the efficient use of resources. Without a structured process to evaluate the necessity and frequency of meetings, inefficiencies will continue increasing operational cost. Based on this problem, I defined clear objectives for my project. The project has the following objectives: quantifying the current time investment in meeting across various departments, identifying meeting types, frequencies, and participation patterns that reduce productivity, developing guidelines and best practices to optimize meeting scheduling, agendas, and participant involvement, propose alternate communication channels, primarily email, to replace or reduce certain meetings, and present a data-driven improvement plan aimed at reducing total meeting time while maintaining communication effectiveness. To achieve these objectives, I will use the following methodology. Use a structured data-driven approach to evaluate meeting practices, collect feedback from engineering team members through a survey, analyze current meeting frequency, direction, and participant involvement, apply project management tools such as surveys, tracking logs, and feedback analysis to quantify impact, and finally, develop recommendations based on findings to streamline meetings while maintaining effective communication. The project schedule was developed using Agile principles where time is quantified by sprint. Each sprint will have a duration of 2 weeks. In Sprint 1, we'll collect calendar data using Outlook Calendar and prepare the survey with Google Forms, with gaining team cooperation, assuming sufficient participation. On Sprint 2, we'll analyze current meetings and categorize by type using Excel and survey feedback, assuming all necessary data is accessible. On Sprint 3, research best practice and identify root causes through online databases and literature review. On Sprint 4, we'll draft the meeting optimization framework and recommend email as an alternate communication. On Sprint 5, we'll estimate time saving and calculate project return on investment using Excel and create an implementation plan. On Sprint 6, we'll finalize all deliverables and prepare the report/presentation while tracking progress using tools such as Jira. And finally, we'll go over the project cost. This project does not have any additional financial cost for the company, since the main resource is time. Currently, time is spent in unnecessary meetings. By reducing these meetings, that time can be redirected to project work. For example, if 10 engineers save 2 hours per week, that equals 20 hours weekly reinvested in productive tasks. This represents a significant increase in efficiency without extra expense. In conclusion, this project aims to reduce unnecessary meetings, improve productivity, and optimize the use of resources. Thank you for your attention.